this is Murtuza Haneswala. So, I was facing hair related issues, like, there was a hair fall and everything. I mean, I had done a procedure wherein I did straightening and all. So, there was a lot of hair fall which took place, because of which, the crown area kind of got completely bald. So, I was recommended for VPlant. And trust me, I never had to visit any other place, because the kind of service which was provided initially, from Samir to all the doctors, were excellent. I got the surgery done, which was MHI. It's a kind of an advanced technology, which was fantastic. The doctors, the nurses, the technicians took utmost care of me, which was great. I was provided a place to stay. The hygiene which is maintained by the staff is excellent, and all the people are very courteous. So, if you guys would want to go for a hair transplant, then I suggest VPlant is one of the places for you all to visit. It's highly recommended. So, kudos to the entire team, and thank you so much.